Welcome to this video, guys. So this video, I'm going to talk about ClickBank and Digistore. Digistore is new to the scene, and they're kind of like ClickBank. So if you're interested in knowing what they are, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you which one's better, the pros and the cons of each, real quick. So stay with me, and let's dive in. So ClickBank's been around for years. They do pay. Yes, they do have high converting products, and they also have low converting products. And the thing is, like, you could just promote a high converting offer and make a lot of money and promote it. But it's when you find like the offers others aren't really promoting, you can also crush it with too. I like how they have like so many offers, okay, to choose from in like all sorts of niches. I do like their marketplace because it can like sort the best offers to promote. And so that's really good. Next, we got Digistore here, and I've made quite a bit of money here with Digistore. I just got on it recently, and you can see what I'm doing, I guess, right here. But straight up, Digistore is a really, really good thing, and you could start promoting it. Like today, so far, I made 213. It's just a little extra side income. And then yesterday, 26. And then, a couple days of another 200 something. So you could do it too. If we go to the marketplace has a couple offers. Now, here's the thing. I think they're based in the UK. And Digistore, it's like got a lot of good offers. So if you can see here, it's got Wesley Virgin. He's actually got really high converting offers, okay? I'm promoting one of his offers, and I'm promoting an offer that isn't like available in the marketplace, which you saw, the 200 something dollar one. That pays out 200 something bucks. But you could sort by and you could find a bunch of offers for, well, a couple offers per niche. But Digistore is about to blow up. I like how clean it is. I like the feel of it. I like that it's new. Digistore is very, very cool in that aspect, in that regard. Um, I also like, the different features and how they name things different. So you press promote, and then you basically get the link. And then you go over to partnerships, and you get your links. And that's basically it for that. Literally, is that's how you get your link to promote for Digistore. You can switch to be a vendor right here. You can switch to be a vendor. My ID is BenF20. So promote my links, bruh. Just kidding. The reports, transactions, sales, commissions, everything. The only place I look at is the dashboard, the marketplace, and the partnerships. Okay. And then over here we got ClickBank. And if you guys don't understand, like ClickBank is huge. Okay. Like they literally are making like $1 million a day, I feel like. Okay. Across all the products. It's insane. When you have that many products, it's kind of like the Amazon of digital products. So hopefully that makes sense. And they got a really good affiliate program, and you can make upwards of 50 to 70 to 90% per freaking offer. And if you look over here in Digistore, what's it called over here? Internet marketing and business. Done for you services. He gives 50%. It's a high ticket payout. What else? This is just a 90% commission for a work at home offer. I'm trying to find the Wesley Virgin millionaire, overnight millionaire. So he gives 92%. Okay, what kind of person does that, right? It's crazy. So it's got upsells and a front end offer and all this stuff. So it depends on what you want to promote, guys. Like at the end of the day, you should be signed up on Digistore and ClickBank. And I'm going to leave it at that. I'll see you later. Check out more videos. Peace out.